Advanced level sample questions for the Basic Theory Test, BTT, in Singapore. These questions will test your understanding of road rules, signs, and driving regulations. Q1. What does a double white line on the road indicate? A. You can overtake if it is safe to do so. B. You may overtake only on the left. C. No overtaking at all. D. You may overtake only when there is no oncoming traffic. Answer. C. No overtaking at all. Q2. What does a blue circular sign with a white arrow pointing left mean? A. No left turn. B. Mandatory left turn. C. Give way to traffic from the left. D. One-way street. Answer B. Mandatory left turn. Q3. If you are caught speeding 41 km/h above the speed limit, what penalty can you expect? A. Fine and 12 demerit points. B. Fine and 18 demerit points. C. Fine, 24 demerit points, and possible suspension. D. Fine and warning letter. Answer. C. Fine, 24 demerit points, and possible suspension. Q4. When approaching a pedestrian crossing with flashing amber lights, what must you do? A. Speed up to pass before pedestrians start. B. Slow down and prepare to stop if there are pedestrians. C. Stop only if the light turns red. D. Ignore it if there are no pedestrians in sight. Answer. B. Slow down and prepare to stop if there are pedestrians. Q5. Who has the right of way at a T-junction when there are no traffic lights? A. Vehicles on the main road. B. Vehicles on the minor road. C. The larger vehicle. D. The fastest vehicle. Answer. A. Vehicles on the main road. Q6. If you are driving at night and an oncoming vehicle fails to dip its headlights, what should you do? A. Flash your high beams continuously. B. Look slightly to the left and continue driving. C. Honk repeatedly. D. Close your eyes briefly to reduce glare. Answer. B. Look slightly to the left and continue driving. Q7. If your vehicle starts to skid while driving on a wet road, what should you do? A. Steer in the direction of the skid and ease off the accelerator. B. Slam the brakes immediately. C. Turn the steering wheel rapidly in the opposite direction. D. Shift to a higher gear quickly. Answer. A. Steer in the direction of the skid and ease off the accelerator. Q8. How should you drive when approaching a sharp bend at high speed? A. Brake suddenly before the bend. B. Maintain high speed to clear the bend quickly. C. Slow down before entering the bend and accelerate gently when exiting. D. Apply the handbrake while turning. Answer. C. Slow down before entering the bend and accelerate gently when exiting.